Hello boys and girls, and welcome back to Storytime with Ms. Trevino. Today's story is called It's Okay to Make Mistakes. Let's get started. It's okay if you spill your milk. You can always clean it up. It's okay to try a different direction. You might discover something new. It's okay to not know the answer. Asking questions helps you learn. It's okay to get upset. Your friends are there to cheer you on. It's okay to fall down. You can always get right back up. It's okay to wear two different socks. Others may want to try it too. It's okay to forget your umbrella. You might meet someone new. It's okay to change your mind. Everyone is ready at a different time. It's okay to get mixed up. You can always ask for help. It's okay if you are clumsy. You might have meant a new move. It's okay to get a little dirty sometimes. A bubble bath is lots of fun. It's okay to be shy. Being quiet can make you a very good listener. It's okay to color outside the lines. It's good to follow your own path. Everyone has uh-oh moments. That's how you learn. It's okay to make mistakes sometimes. Everyone does, even grown-ups. That's how we all learn. The end. Love, Todd the dog. All right, boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed that story. Now for our story map. Remember, boys and girls, quality work, and make sure we are coloring our pictures. Don't forget, very important, to write your name at the top, and the title of the book is called It's Okay to Make Mistakes. So in the characters, you can draw Todd and his dog. So those are the characters you can draw. For the setting, you can draw Todd and his dog, or you can even draw, you can draw Todd and his dog at home, Todd dropping his milk. You can draw that. You can also draw that for the beginning if you like. In the middle, you can draw Todd's dog, having two different socks on, and his friends, the other animals, having two different socks as well. At the end, you can draw something that, you can draw like the monkeys at the very end. You can draw Todd coloring outside the lines. Anything you'd like that happened at the end, boys and girls. All right, so go ahead and work on your story map, and I will see you next time, boys and girls. Bye.